for those of you that are new, and to the ones that are not new, welcome back, y'all, and welcome to the new ones. And on my channel, I usually do hair videos, beauty videos, fashion videos, or lifestyle videos. So if you like what you see today, make sure you subscribe. So today's unit was sent over from Luvmehair. They sent over this beautiful highlight brown bob unit, and your girl is about to get it installed and laid, okay? But disclaimer, you guys, you are going to see that I do have on two different tops. And yes, my makeup looks different because my last clip of footage, which was supposed to be about 14 minutes and 50 seconds, somehow deleted out of nowhere. So I had to reinstall this wig the next day and, finish it up because I couldn't just leave you with half of an install, okay? But I promise you, when I installed this wig originally, it looked good, okay? And I didn't do anything extra to it. So I apologize that it's looking a little bit choppy and different, but the wig is still the same. I just got different makeup and a different top. So anyways, let's get back into the installation. So this is a lace closure unit, not a frontal, so you don't have to worry about dealing with your ear tab area. I did bleach the knots off camera and wash the unit. It did not come out of the packaging like this. Don't get scared. I promise it didn't. This is just air dried hair. So it took the bleach really well, as you guys can tell, because look at my roots. I got to go back in and retouch those up. But it's like that real nice raw hair because, honey, that took the bleach so well. I was like, dang. I mean, I ain't had no black knots nowhere, okay? So yeah, let's move back on to installing this wig. So I am going to pluck it a tad bit, just get the roots nice and flat using my hot comb, using my wax stick as well. I'm going to use all of that. And I'm going to install this wig with my Ebin spray. We're doing a little quick install. With this spray, I usually could wear my wigs for about 1 or 2 days before I have to reapply some of that spray. I'm going to be curling my hair today with a new little hot tool that I picked up from Amazon. This one's from Revlon. You guys can check my description bar for it, of course. But it basically makes it super easy to curl your hair because the way the wand or the way the flat iron is made, it curves. So you can just turn it and curl your hair and your curls are going to come out popping. Okay, like they're gonna come out looking good. I was really shook, and this product is very affordable. I think it cost me under $30, and it gets hot and it holds your girls and it styles it real good. So yeah, you know, I feel like this was a really easy, basic install. All you have to do is make sure that you flatten your roots out on top of the unit. Add a little bit of product in it as well, maybe like some oil sheen, some little holding spray to make sure your curls hold. But it's gonna come together very easy. So I feel like this really falls in that beginner friendly level of wigs, because you see I didn't add any baby hairs or anything. I did minimal plucking, and then all I did was add some curls back into the hair, and my hair has just a little bit of hairspray in it. So I didn't have to do much to get this wig really popping. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. I will have a direct link to this unit. It's very good quality. It was very big head friendly. I didn't have any shedding or any tangling. So in my book, that makes it a 10 out of 10.